Hey there, beautiful souls. Welcome back to Hope Over Worry. T started with a single X post, a blurry image, a cryptic code. The internet hasn't been the same since. Welcome to Trending Stories, where we unravel the web's darkest mysteries. Buckle up. This one's wild. On April 20th, 2025, an anonymous X user dropped this chilling post. The image, a shadowy figure in a hood. The text, 3-9-25, follow the shadow. Within hours, it had 50,000 reposts. Fans flooded the replies. Some called it a hacker's puzzle, like Cicada 3301. Others swore it was a secret society's signal. But skeptics? They smelled a viral marketing stunt. Then, it got weirder. More posts appeared, each with a new image, a locked door, a glitching eye, and coded dates, 7/14/25, 9/22/25. The internet went into overdrive. On Reddit, users decoded the text, linking it to March 9th, 2025. A hidden website surfaced, password protected with a countdown. Theories exploded. Was this an alternate reality game, a whistleblower's cry for help, or something darker? One ex-user claimed, "This is bigger than we think. Here's where it gets crazy." The countdown ends in 1 month, June 3rd, 2025. Some believe it's a hacker group planning a massive leak. Others think it's tied to a secret event. My take? This feels too coordinated to be a prank. The clues are meticulous. The stakes? Huge. But what do you think? Is this a real mystery? Or just a clever hoax? We're diving deeper into this mystery, and we need your help. Drop your wildest theory in the comments. Hacker plot, secret society, or something else. Hit that like button if you're as obsessed as we are, and subscribe to Trending Stories for more chilling tales. The clock's ticking. Let's crack this code together. See you in the next mystery.